Dear students, welcome to Dev's Academy. Today we shall start a new chapter. It is from coordinate geometry. This class is for CBSE class 10. Today is the first day for coordinate geometry. Today we will learn to find the distance from 2 points. The 2 points are like this. This is a Cartesian plane, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. 2 points, one is P x1 y1 and the other Q x2 y2. We have to find out the distance between P and Q. We have to find out this distance. What we will do at first, in the Cartesian plane we will draw perpendicular from this and from Q this. Also a perpendicular from here to there. Next we will have the names. This is O, this is suppose M and this is N. This is M, this is N and it is Q, this is R. Let this be R. Now see that it is X. So this part is x1 and from here to there it will be x2. Therefore this part is x2 minus x1, that is this is x2 minus x1. Similarly this is y1 up to this is y1. So and from here this is y2. Therefore this part will be y2 minus y1. We have to find out the distance between P and Q. According to the Pythagoras theorem, this is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle, PQR we have hypotenuse PQ square is equal to PR square minus PR square plus QR square. Therefore PQ equal to root over of PR square plus QR square. Now see that PR equal to root over of x2 minus x1 square and PQR, this is Q, this is R, QR square equal to y2 minus y1 square. So if we take the square of x2 minus x1 and the square of y2 minus y1, we will get the distance between P and Q. This is where P and Q is taken in the positive side of the coordinate of the Cartesian plane. We will use this formula for finding the distance between two points. দুটো পয়েন্টের যদি দূরত্ব বের করতে হয় তাহলে আমাদের এই পয়েন্টটা p equal to x1 y1, q equal to x2 y2. This is x2 y2. তাহলে এটা হলো x1, এটা হলো QOM. Here it is OM equal to x1 and MN equal to PR. MN equal to PR equal to ON minus OM equal to, you may say, বলতে পারো এটা x2 minus x1 and Mn equal to PR. Mn equal to PR, you may say PR equal to Mn and QR equal to Qn minus Rn equal to y2 minus y1. This is PR and QR. PR আর QR এর এটা হলো PR, এটা হলো QR. PR আর QR এর যদি আমরা এবারে স্কয়ার তার রুট ওভার নিই তাহলে পরে আমি ডিসটেন্সটা পেয়ে যাব। এখানে দেখা যাক আমাদের কিছু প্রবলেম দেখা যায়। ফার্স্ট প্রবলেম, 2 points A 9 and 3 and B, this is B 15 and 11. Therefore the distance AB equal to root over of 15 minus 9 square plus 11 minus 3 square equal to root over of 6 square plus 8 square equal to root over of 36 plus 64 is equal to root over of 100 is equal to 10 units. This is answer. So the distance AB equal to 10 units. This is answer. This is answer. Again, see number 2. Number 2. It is given P A plus B A minus B and Q A minus B and A plus B. Therefore the distance PQ equal to root over of A minus B x2, that is this is x2 and this is x1, this is y2 and this is y1. This is A minus B minus of A minus of, this is square plus A plus B minus A minus B square root over of this is equal to root over of A minus B minus A minus B square plus A plus B minus A plus B square. Now this A and this A will cancel out and here minus A and minus A will be cancelled out. So it is root over of minus b minus 2b whole square plus b plus 2b whole square. So it is root over of 4b square plus 4b square is equal to root over of 8b square. It is, if we take root over of it, it will be 2b root 2. The distance is 2b root 2. This is the answer. 8b square 2b root 2. This is the answer. Again, see number 3. Number 3. It is given P, a point P, a sin alpha, a cos alpha, and Q, a cos alpha, minus a sin alpha. Let me see from the book. Minus a sin alpha. A cos alpha minus a sin alpha. Therefore, the distance PQ equal to root over of a cos alpha minus a sin alpha square plus minus a sin alpha minus a cos alpha square. Therefore, it will be root over of a cos square alpha, a square cos square alpha plus a square sin square alpha minus 2 a square cos alpha sin alpha plus this is a square sin square alpha plus a square cos square alpha. It will be minus 2, it will be plus 2 a square sin alpha cos alpha total root over this 2 a square sin square alpha and this minus 2 a square sin square alpha will cancel out and it will be root over of 2 a square cos square alpha, a square cos square alpha, and this is a square cos square alpha plus 2 a square sin square alpha. We will take common. আমরা common নেব হলো a square cos square alpha, a square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to root over 2 a square into 1. Why? Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1 equal to root over of 2 a square is equal to a root 2. Therefore, the distance equal to a root 2. A root 2. This is answer. With the formula, this is the formula. Distance PQ. Distance PQ. Distance PQ equal to this. So you will use this formula and we will proceed to the class. This much today. Thank you.